Alright, hi guys, Ryan here again today for Polar Fox Technologies, Polar Fox APU. So we got a brand new 2025 Western Star here. We just did a install of our 24 volt 10K system. So outside you will see the condenser unit, condenser fan, stainless steel, real clean, small footprint. We've got all the lines tailored, so some of these you see lines all over the back of the cab and all that. Ours just comes straight down, straight in. We cut them to length, all custom install. Coming around to the side box here. So this particular install, the customer wanted to try to get everything in this one side box, which is, this cab is pretty much, or sleeper is pretty much the same as the newer Cascadias, some of the older Cascadias as well. So we was able to get the evaporator unit in here and fan, and also the compressed unit controller. Everything right here into the passenger side compartment. So it's a pretty small footprint. And the other thing you will notice with our system here, you look at the frame, there's nothing hanging off the frame. Like I said, the only thing you have on the outside of the truck is that condenser unit and fan right there. And again, my mandate has been anything that's going to be on the outside needs to be stainless. We don't want stuff rusting and falling off and looking like garbage after a year. So that's kind of my mandate as far as stuff outside. So before we go inside the truck, I'll go over here and show you what powers this system. So here we have 400 amp hour dual purpose lithium batteries. So dual purpose means that you're able to start with them and also use them as a battery bank as well. And they are LiPo4 lithium batteries. By the way, these are from Scana Power as our battery supplier, and we're also affiliated with them as well. So we have 4 of these in here for a 400 amp hour system. That's our standard size. One of the other benefits of the system is if you're not getting the runtime you want a little bit better performance down the road, we can always expand the system. You can add up to 4 more batteries as well. There's always, after purchase, if you're, like I said, you want to get more runtime. If you're running down south or something, we can add that as you see fit. 24 volt system, we use a step up transformer here so the rest of the truck is 12 volt. We're only stepping up power to the AC unit. So really lightweight. These are 32 pounds a piece. The system is very light as well. So actually taking out the lead acid batteries or AGMs, we're actually going negative weight on the truck. So the truck will actually weigh less after the installation, so another benefit. Also with these batteries, there is a 5-year full replacement warranty. Life expectancy is 8 to 10 years. The other thing special about these batteries is there's a lot of lithium batteries out there we're putting in trucks these days. A lot of those have came from the recreational market, so they're kind of a plastic battery. They're not, I don't want to say not all of them, but they're, like I said, when you come from the recreational market is a lot different from the heavy truck market. I mean, when you're putting 120,000 miles on a truck every year, running down the road, rough roads, bumps, all different types of conditions. So these batteries were built from the ground up for the trucking industry. They weren't just taken from a recreational, put into a Group 30, Type 31 battery. These were actually built from the ground up as a truck battery. So steel case, nice hard gusseted top. Got the top redesigned finally where we don't have the recesses anymore, so we can actually use a normal bus bar. This is the final design at this point on the batteries that we're ready to distribute in mass quantities. So, and lastly, the other major bonus with this system and the batteries themselves is that I know I get a lot of customers with traditional lead acid batteries. We're running a lot of electronics in the trucks these days, microwaves, water boilers, I got guys that rice cookers, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. A lot of electronics, so the lead acid batteries, they can't keep up. I mean, they don't last. I mean, there's only so many cycles in a battery, and when you're running them down a couple times a day and charging them back up, it just kills those batteries. And I have several customers on my other business, my truck maintenance side, that they're replacing batteries yearly, and sometimes $1,000 a year. So with these and with this system, you're getting that bonus as well, that you're getting a good high quality lithium battery. Again, is warranted for 5 years. So that's another cost saving benefit as well with the system. Okay, so we'll go up inside the truck here and see what the inside looks like. So as you can see here, we have everything confined to the passenger side compartment. This particular install, we did a factory duct connection as well, which is not part of the standard install. That is additional on our installs here. at our shop. Also, with this particular customer, he was concerned about something hitting this flexible duct, so we did fabricate a little guard here to protect this, and then we ran the other one up and around. So like I said, that's not typical of most installs, or it is additional for that custom. Typically with our standard install, we would just have the two ducts coming straight out like this one here. So with that, lastly we have the panel up here close to the factory bunk panel as well. And then you do have a remote control here. And one thing with this remote controller, it is line of sight. So it has to be facing, so if you're sitting here, it's not going to work. So it does have to be in line with the panel itself. Okay, so that's pretty much all I have on this install here. I think everything came out pretty nice. So this is pretty much our final version on the battery. So everything's kind of coming together, and we're ready to kind of go in more mass production with what you see here. So with that, we've had a lot of interest, a lot of inquiries, a lot of calls every day. So I mean, we're looking for help out there. So if anybody would like to become an installer or a dealer for these units as well as also our heater line, that's an option as well. So please get in contact with us if you're interested, looking for, in all major metropolitan areas of the United States, looking for people. Please, like I said, if you're interested in that, looking for some extra revenue from your shop, or if you're a small fleet that has a shop and want to install the unit and install it for other ones, that's an option as well. So we do have great dealer pricing and options like that as well. So reach out to us at polarfoxapu.com or give us a call here, and we'll be glad to help you out. So, and also if you have any interest in the unit as well, again, check out polarfoxapu.com. That's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for updates, and like the video.